guys, welcome back. So I did a little bit of cleanup and moved files into the garbage directory, but you don't want to move those Terraform TF state files because they store the state of resources that Terraform created, but everything else can go. We should have just TF star.tf files and terraform.tf. All right, the main.tfyy file I renamed in the last chapter because I just wanted to stick to the EC2 instance. But now what we're going to do, we're going to merge these two files to keep things simpler, because we cannot have duplicates between files, but the best practice would be to have things distributed amongst multiple files. But for now, we're just going to go with one file. Okay, so the first thing first. Now this time what we're going to do is we are going to create a Google bucket. All right, so first thing we need to do like this squares, hash symbols, separate things out. Okay, so first thing, provider Google. So this is something that's going to be created for a Google account. Okay, and Terraform gives this value, like we don't have to worry about it, like now where it's coming from. Okay, the resource is going to be Google storage bucket. This part comes from Terraform, GCP demo, blah blah blah. Provider AWS. I want to create a bucket, okay, and I want to create an EC2 instance. All right. So now once again, Terraform verify, or Terraform validate, Terraform plan. So Terraform validate checks the syntax. Terraform plan finds out what needs to be done, and it's going to give you a lot of information. But at this point, all we're concerned is with the green stuff. I mean the headers. That basically bucket, and the EC2 instance. So after this, we go with Terraform apply and it'll create all the resources. So first thing that we're going to check is the Google bucket, and it created the Google in the right, create the bucket in the right place, but I was looking at the wrong account. Well, I first thought I'm looking at the wrong project, but I was in completely different Google account, so I'm just going to skip through that. So this is my first project, and that's where this is the bucket that just got created. EC2 instance, new one should be up. That's a new instance, and then in the S3 we should have a new bucket ready. All right, so you do whatever you want to do. Let's say you're doing some testing, you're doing some POC. Once you're done, all you gotta do, Terraform destroy, and when it shows up, okay, Terraform will perform the following actions. It's going to delete 3 resources. All right, so let's go to the Google browser. And that bucket is gone. In S3, this bucket is gone. And in EC2, the instances have been terminated. Okay, and now this, I'm like totally confused. How are they still left? So unless I do delete them manually, this is why I absolutely hate using the uh, console. But yeah, so that was basically showing you guys what value we can generate using Terraform. And now the next few lectures, I'm going to get you started with the basic elements so you can practice on your own, creating a lot of different resources. All right, guys, that's all. Sorry for a very long lesson.